Dun-dun-dun. It's that time. Surprise package time. Surprise package time. What did I order? I don't know. Cause I ordered it a long time ago. Surprise package time. Surprise package time. Now with dramatic colored lighting. Isn't that nice? Yeah, check it out. I got two fancy lights. And I'm putting over here just so I can be more like a proper YouTuber. Ooh. Maybe I'll actually make titles or something. But nah, I'll just keep half-assing it. When in doubt, go with what you know. And what I know is that I don't have any idea what is in these weird packages. Better be careful or I might destroy the contents. Oh, cool. Opens up nice. What are you? It's empty. Right? Oh. Oh. These are flexible LED light strips. Itty bitty, teeny weeny, little tiny ones. Look at these things. These contain a whole bunch of little tiny LEDs. I don't know what. I think I'll have to grab the USB battery pack and rig up something so I can show you what this do. One moment, please. Okay, I think I got this all figured out here. I don't have a 3-volt power supply just lying around, but what I do have is a little ESP32 chip, one of the TT Go ones, that happens to have a 3.3 volt output and a ground. These are 3 volt, so that's, close enough. Let's see. One in there. Oops. Where's that one in there? Well, I think if I put them in the wrong way, it won't blow up, but it just won't work. So we'll find out. Alright. Let's see if I did this right. Ah! There we go. Geez, I thought that was, it's barely hanging in there. I thought this was yellow. Nah, this is blue. Little flexible lights. I think you can just barely make out the tiny little dots that power it. Well, let's try that with another one. I don't recall ordering the short ones, though. I thought I ordered 300 millimeter, but these are like 120-ish. I think they're the 130s, so not quite as long as I hoped. Maybe that's just this pack. We have others. Let's find out. And here you. Oh, yeah, here we go. Look at that. These are the ones I'm looking for. I think there's a couple in every single one of them. You ordered like 5. So I have a few to play with. Alright. Well, this is almost easier to do with the camera just because my eyes are not so good seeing this stuff. On account of me being an old man. Oh yeah, that's yellow. Oh, look at that. Oh, ow, okay, that is drawn. Woohoo. That is drawn too much voltage. Ow. That heated up real fast. Okay, don't plug these in through a TT Go chip, or you will overload the poor thing. You'd hook these up to a proper power supply. Let's see, I think what got hot was the power control. Yeah, the voltage regulator, I should say. Man, heated that thing right up. I think the chip's fine, though. Yeah. Alright. Okay, word of warning. Don't plug these directly into your ESP32 chip. Try to hook it into parallel with your power source. Or you could hook it up to the USB line. Oh man, you can really make out the little LEDs in this. So this is basically just like your normal LED strip. It's just a little tiny one. And really super flexible. Look at that. Pardon me. Well, it wouldn't be fun unless I saw some of the other colors. Tempt fate again. I mean, come on. How can I not see what this one looks like? Just for a moment. That's a dumb idea. It'll be fine. Famous last words. And I'm just going to tap it on here. Oh, maybe the other way. Oh, geez. You know, I wonder if I actually fried the 3.3 volt line on this. Because I'm not getting the power out of it now. Let's see. Ground. 3.3. I'm not messing it up. Other than what I just messed up. Yeah. Okay, yep. It ain't responding. So, I think it's possible this one... Oh, there we go. Okay, good. I didn't fry the power regulator. And this is bright green. I just don't want to leave it plugged in like last time. Let's see, get that fish there right in there. Huh. Well, not responding this time. You actually might have a better perspective on this than I do. You know what? I'm just going to say, well, it appeared to work. You know what? I'm going to fish out the red one. 1 second. Alrighty, I fished out the red ones. Yeah, man. That is a nice bright red. A little hard to see on camera, but it looks like a nice, solid, deep red when you see it in person. On camera, it looks white. It does not look white in person. So anyways, these are rather inexpensive. I think I paid $1 or $2 for each and every one of them. So that's why I ordered like 5 of each color. Spent like 20, 25 bucks getting a pile of them. Look at all these. They look like rubber bands, but, well, these are rubber bands of color. Just, you know, the long ones, I think, draw a little too much amperage to be run through a chip directly. So don't do what I just did. Not if you don't want to see that thing start smoking. It's probably a good thing I was actually touching and it gave me a little burn before it started to burn itself. I hate to mess up my little TTGO chips there. So cool. But if you're into electronics, you already know all about these little neat buggers. Built-in screen, ESP32. Lots of fun. Alright, thus ends another exciting episode of Surprise Package Time!